So this is 318s and a Monte Carlo.
Yes, sir. We were able to squeeze 20 cubes out of it somehow. We've got a curved roof and a back wall at 30 degrees.
Awesome. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Yeah, I want to check the trunk out too. Is that all right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Come back, just in case it's. Try not to get it wet. Nice. What are these amps wired to?
They are wired to 1.34 ohms strapped.
1.7?
Yeah.
Wow, y'all really built into the vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got every inch I could get.
All right. What's going on, man?
How you doing, brother?
This yours or his or y'all's? Or?
Yeah, this is my car.
All right.
But we both built it together.
Okay.
He did a lot of the work.
Nice. I like it. All right, can I come in?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and shut that door.
Just keep it open?
Shut the door.
Okay. What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Evin. Social is Wald_Monte. And we've got 3 ZVX18s on about two SCV3Ks, probably clamping 45 or something like that.
Okay. See, you're breaking your glass already, man.
Yeah.
Can't stop us so much. Did this help a good bit putting this in?
Yeah, it did a little bit, but I did not take the proper precautions for the windshield.
Yeah.
Supposedly, the best way to do it is a turnbuckle, like put in there, and then some extra adhesive, but I didn't do that, so.
Yeah.
The windshield broke from clapping, basically.
Yeah. Have you done any SPL tests on it?
Yeah, with on 4K it does like a 57, but last week we had two 4500s that clamped 12K, and we were well above a 59 and trying to get the 60. We put the Coventry in and blew those. Yeah. So we could have been at a 60. I don't know, but you know, luckily we weren't because the windshield went on 4K. Yeah. So, yeah.
How's your electrical alternator battery power?
Just we can go check that out. It's a Brand X 250.
Okay.
You saw the Coventry back there?
Yes.
So it's just a Brand X 250. We got the diodes to get it up to 16 volts, and then a battery delete. All homemade.
All right. And what vehicle?
04 Monte Carlo SS.
All right.
Or as I call it, the Monte Scarlo.
Monte Carlo. Nice.
Yeah, go look at that.
I'm sure she saw that. Oh, it's already breaking on the door?
Yeah, it's ripping over here pretty good. We got like a 4-inch rip right there.
That's not good. That's only the beginning. That's not good. Imagine putting, like you said, when you had that big amp on it.
Yeah, I had 2 Scar SK 4500s in there.
Okay. Really? Wow.
Yeah, like I said, they clamped 6K a piece.
Yeah.
Like in my car.
Jeez. So this is 318s and a Monte Carlo.
Yes, sir. We were able to squeeze 20 cubes out of it somehow. We've got a curved roof and a back wall at 30 degrees.
Awesome.
Good. Here we go.
Right, had to go with my line. While you was thinking twice, I already rolled it down. Cause it made me rich. I was drinking lean back on Buffett drinking crazy. When I die, split the M's, give them to my kids. Diamonds, I don't look like you look like a rich slave. said, nigga, get paid. Huh. Like a rich slave. Girl said, nigga, get paid. Huh. Taylor's on and a whole lot of ice. Just to get right, had to get my life. While you was thinking twice, I already rolled a dice. Cause it made me rich. To my kids. You look like a rich slave. Look down, said, nigga, get paid. Huh. Yeah.
That's awesome. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, you can smell them. Can't smell them on video though. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.